Are you tired of the traditional 9 to 5 grind? Ever dreamt of retiring early and living life on your terms? Welcome to the world of FIRE, financial independence, retire early. Join us on a journey to explore strategies for achieving financial freedom and retiring early. The FIRE movement has gained momentum as individuals seek alternatives to conventional retirement timelines, prioritizing freedom and flexibility. In this video, we'll delve into the principles of FIRE, discussing how to assess your financial situation, save aggressively, invest wisely, and navigate the path to early retirement. Get ready to unlock the secrets to financial independence and start living the life you've always imagined. 1. Assessing financial situation. Before setting sail towards early retirement, it's vital to take stock of your financial position. Begin by meticulously tallying your monthly expenditures and savings to gain insight into your financial flows. Establish concrete retirement objectives, contemplating aspects such as desired lifestyle, target retirement age, and aspirations for financial independence. This assessment lays the groundwork for crafting a robust financial strategy, enabling you to pinpoint areas ripe for enhancement and monitor your advancement towards early retirement. By undertaking this comprehensive evaluation, you not only gain clarity on your current financial state, but also pave the way for a more secure and fulfilling retirement journey. 2. Saving aggressively. Adopting a mindset of aggressive saving is essential for achieving early retirement. Embrace frugal living by cutting unnecessary expenses and focusing on your priorities. Maximize your income by exploring opportunities for additional earnings, such as side hustles or freelancing. Allocate a significant portion of your income towards savings and investments, aiming for a high savings rate. Automate your savings process to ensure consistency and discipline in building your retirement fund. 3. Investing wisely. Wise investing plays a pivotal role in building wealth and attaining financial independence. It's imperative to educate oneself on various investment avenues like stocks, bonds, real estate, and mutual funds to make informed decisions. Crafting a diversified investment strategy helps mitigate risks and optimize returns by spreading investments across different asset classes. Continuously monitoring investments is essential to ensure they align with financial objectives and risk tolerance levels. Adjusting the portfolio as needed based on market trends and personal circumstances ensures it remains aligned with long-term goals. By being proactive and well-informed in investment decisions, individuals can lay a sturdy groundwork for early retirement, securing financial stability and future prosperity. 4. Debt management. Effectively managing debt is crucial for achieving financial independence and early retirement. Start by identifying and prioritizing high-interest debts, such as credit card balances or personal loans. Implement a debt repayment strategy, focusing on either the debt snowball method, paying off smallest debts first, or the debt avalanche method, paying off highest interest debts first. Avoid accumulating new debt and strive to live within your means. By reducing and eliminating debt, you free up more resources to invest in your future and accelerate your path to early retirement. 5. Creating passive income streams. Generating passive income is a key component of achieving financial independence and early retirement. Explore various avenues for creating passive income, such as real estate investments, dividend-paying stocks, peer-to-peer lending, or creating digital products. Diversifying your income sources reduces dependency on a single source of income and provides stability during retirement. Focus on building scalable and sustainable passive income streams that require minimal ongoing effort, allowing you to enjoy financial freedom and pursue your passions in retirement. 6. Health and lifestyle considerations. Prioritizing health and well-being is essential for enjoying a fulfilling early retirement. Budgeting for healthcare costs ensures you're prepared for any medical expenses that may arise. Maintain a healthy lifestyle by staying physically active, eating nutritious foods, and prioritizing mental wellness through practices like meditation or mindfulness. Engaging in affordable hobbies and activities not only enriches your life, but also helps you stay socially connected and mentally stimulated during retirement. By investing in your health and lifestyle now, you set the foundation for a vibrant and fulfilling retirement journey. 7. Geoarbitrage and cost of living optimization. Geoarbitrage involves leveraging differences in the cost of living to your advantage, allowing you to stretch your retirement savings further. Consider relocating to areas with lower living costs or exploring international destinations where your money can go further. Take advantage of travel opportunities and remote work arrangements to experience new cultures while optimizing your expenses. Minimize housing and transportation costs by downsizing or opting for alternative living arrangements like house sitting or co-living spaces. By strategically optimizing your cost of living, you can accelerate your journey towards early retirement and enjoy a higher quality of life with less financial stress. 8. Community and support networks. Building a supportive community is invaluable on the path to early retirement. Connect with like-minded individuals who share your financial goals and values through online forums, local meetups, or social media groups dedicated to the FIRE movement. Surround yourself with mentors, financial advisors, and peers who can offer guidance, accountability, and encouragement throughout your journey. Engage in collaborative learning experiences, share your successes and challenges, and celebrate milestones together. By cultivating a strong support network, you not only enhance your knowledge and resources, but also find motivation and inspiration to stay focused on your early retirement goals. 9. Flexibility and adaptability. Flexibility and adaptability are essential traits for navigating the uncertainties of early retirement. Be prepared to adjust your plans in response to changes in financial markets, economic conditions, or personal circumstances. Stay open-minded to new opportunities that may arise along the way, such as unexpected sources of income or alternative retirement lifestyles. Maintain a mindset of resilience and resourcefulness, viewing challenges as opportunities for growth and learning. By embracing flexibility and adaptability, you can navigate the twists and turns of your early retirement journey with confidence and resilience. 10. Managing risks. Managing risks is crucial to safeguarding your financial security and peace of mind in early retirement. Establish emergency funds to cover unexpected expenses, ensuring you're prepared for any unforeseen circumstances. Secure adequate insurance coverage for health, life, disability, and long-term care to protect against significant financial losses. Plan for potential risks such as market volatility, inflation, or longevity by diversifying your investment portfolio and considering risk mitigation strategies. By proactively managing risks, you can minimize the impact of unforeseen events on your retirement plans and enjoy greater confidence in your financial future. 11. Transitioning to retirement. Transitioning to retirement requires careful planning and consideration to ensure a smooth and successful transition. Create a withdrawal strategy for your retirement accounts, balancing income needs with tax implications and longevity risk. Structure your retirement accounts for tax efficiency, maximizing tax-deferred or tax-free growth opportunities. Explore opportunities for part-time work or volunteer activities to stay engaged and supplement your retirement income if needed. By carefully navigating the transition to retirement, you can optimize your financial resources and confidently embark on this new chapter of your life. 12. Enjoying early retirement. Early retirement offers the opportunity to pursue your passions, explore new interests, and enjoy a fulfilling lifestyle on your own terms. Take the time to reflect on your values, interests, and aspirations, and design a retirement lifestyle that aligns with your priorities. Travel, pursue hobbies, spend time with loved ones, and give back to your community in meaningful ways. Embrace the freedom and flexibility that early retirement affords and make the most of every moment. By embracing the possibilities of early retirement, you can create a life filled with purpose, joy, and fulfillment. Congratulations on embarking on the journey to early retirement. By following the strategies outlined in this video, you're well on your way to achieving financial independence and living the life of your dreams. Remember to stay focused on your goals, remain flexible and adaptable, and seek support from your community along the way. Thank you for joining us on this journey towards financial freedom. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel, Money Magnify, for more tips and insights on mastering your finances and living your best life.